Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip on how to use the jump function on the Akai S3000 XL. And I believe most Akais have this apart from the 950 as far as I can see. But this is like one of the advanced kind of controls that allow you to sort of do a task a little bit faster. And basically the whole idea behind the whole jump thing is that you use it to remember a place where you are in the sampler. And then so what you do, you mark it, and then after you finish marking it, you then use the jump to jump back to the mark point, and then also press the jump button again so it alternates between 2 points. Now I'm going to quickly demonstrate that to you now. So for example, at the moment I'm just loading up some breaks. I'm in the middle of putting together a compact flash disc using the Microtech. And I've got tons of stuff, samples that I want to put on there, loads of breaks. And at the moment, I'm just doing one big key group because I want to put 49 breaks along the keyboard, just for the sake of it. So at the moment, I'm on break number 14. Now, normally, to do that, I've set up loads of key groups here. And normally, you would just go like that, and then like that. And as you can see, I'm kind of putting a different break on each key group. Right, because I've got 49 key groups to do. Now I could just do this, but there's a quicker way. Now if I go to up to key group and then I press the mark key, see a little mark up there, it says mark, yeah, I can then go back to here, change that to the next break, yeah, and then I could press the jump key, and then it will go back to the key group where I just need to turn, right? And then I would just go jump again, and it would bring me back here. So all I'm doing now is I'm just going to be pressing the jump key instead of, and turning, doing this. I know it doesn't seem like much of a time saver, but it's actually quicker doing it this way. I'll put you in close up so you can see what I'm actually doing. Mark, turn, jump, 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 jump. Let's see what the last one is. Funky drummer, yep. Jump, 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 jump. And you can quickly get through a task fast. Because I'm holding the camera, it's a bit cack-handed. But look, I'm going to get to 49 quickly. I'm just pressing jump, turn, jump, turn. Instead of doing 3 buttons, I'm doing 2 buttons. And like, you could mark it if you're in the middle of, like, say a key group and you want to go and do a filter. You want to remember to come back to that point in the sampler. That's what it's there for. So guys, I hope you found that little function useful. It's quite interesting. I just came across it recently and thought, yeah, I want to share that with you. Don't forget, if you want to see more videos on the Akai tutorials, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. Take care. God bless. Peace. I'm a everyday junglist.